Hi guys, today we are putting ChatGPT 5.5 against Opus 4.7 in a head-to-head prompt to playable code shutdown. Okay, so we will give the same prompt to the ChatGPT 5.5 and the same will we give to the Opus 4.7 and let's see who will win this war. Okay, so I'm starting with the ChatGPT 5.5 and let me paste the uh, prompt here to create this game that is called Subway Surfer that we all played, right? So it is start working and it is trying to building the game. Let's see how it will work. Okay, so it is thinking. I'm adding the game file now. Okay, it is starting. Nice, nice. Yeah, let's see who will win the war. Can you guys comment down who will win this ChatGPT 5.5 or the Opus 4.7? Let me know in the comments. And we will also check who will take more time, who is more faster. All right. Okay, so ChatGPT 5.5 is taking more time as it already took around 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, let's see how much more time it will take. Okay, so let's start creating the file. The file is in place. I'm doing a quick. Okay, okay. The game is ready and it took around 1 minute 50 seconds. Okay, let's see. And let's open this game. How? Okay. Where is the character? Where is the character? What the fuck? Where is the character? What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, now let's try with the Opus 4.7. What result we will get? The ChatGPT 5.5 is absolutely dumb. It didn't make the game the way I want. I don't know what they are doing with the character. So I was trying to, run. You see, I can see, but when I press left to go left, but it's not showing there, right? It is invisible. It's in the first lane. Now it is in the second. Let me jump. Okay. Oh my god. Where is the character? What the fuck? Okay. Now we have tried with the Opus. Let's see what it will build and how much time it took. It took around 2 minutes to build this stupid game. Let's try with the Opus. Okay, it made something for us. Let's try. Okay, so this is the controls, left and right, W to jump, and S to roll. Okay, let's start this game. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the size of the coins is so much bigger. I cannot see the objects that are coming to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this. Oh, what was that? Some kind of booster? Oh, oh, oh! It was a roll. Oh my god! What the fuck? Can we do the next round? Let's try to give one more prompt to fix the graphics, and let's see. Okay, you stupid ChatGPT. What the what the fuck? You just need fix the game. The character is not visible and enhance the game. Okay, let's give it another round of shot and let's see. You are right to call out the broken feel. I'll fix the issue, then tighten the game presentation so it reads much more like an actual runner instead of flat demo. Okay, okay. Let's give one more try with the Opus. Okay, so we'll tell him that fix the roll graphics and the angle of the camera we can fix the angle of the camera. I was unable to see the coming objects. Okay, let's see. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, it's working. It's working. So it's making progress. The core fix is in player pickups, obstacle, collision now share the same visual depth. I'm replacing the runner drawing next to the character. Okay, nice. Let's see. How will you make this game right? And the Opus is also working on the same. Let's see. In the meantime, we can play this game again. It's looking so cool. We can fix the graphics. Yeah, okay. Now let's fix the roll graphics. The current rolling graphics is a flat 2D ball drawn on the canvas. Okay, let's see. Okay, the ChatGPT is playing this game. What the fuck? The live run looks much better. The runner is fully visible and the centered. Yeah, it's visible in the center, but it is not visible in the left or right. Okay, let's reopen this game and start. What the fuck? You didn't solve the problem. It's still there. I'm giving 2 out of 10. Not good as I was expecting from the chat GPT. Let's see this. Okay, so they have improved the rolling action. Yeah, we can also fix this coin size of coins, right? Okay, this is looking good. So yeah, nice. All right, guys. So it's looking better and better again. And the camera is so good now that we can saw the coming objects. Oh my god, I just love this game. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can fix the coin and again we can, roll out this game. It's looking so much better now. Okay, so I would rate Opus 4.7 out of 10. The graphics looking so good. This game can be improved with the more prompts, but I will give it a solid 9 out of 10. But for ChatGPT, I'm giving 2. I don't know what they made. So if you like this kind of content, just make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you want more videos, the comparison of between the models, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.